What's up, you guys? It's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. John of Denver, Colorado. Not to be confused with John Denver of Colorado, but so today's comes to us from John of Denver. My home is insured with insurance company. We had storm, hail damage to our property. We filed a claim within 3 days of the damage. The adjuster assigned to us never showed up until 2 months later. Okay, so the thing is, these adjusters are really busy, but that is ridiculous and completely unacceptable. Okay, insurance company refused to pay our claim. Insurance company is happy to collect the premium that you pay, and then the company will continue to be a good company until you make a claim. So if you make any claim, no matter how small, the insurance company will either cancel your policy or totally reject your claim and be willing to fight it and fight you in court. Beware, avoid the company or you will regret having anything to do with it. So, yes, insurance companies don't like paying insurance claims. You know why? Because they lose money. You know why that's bad? Because they're mostly for-profit corporations, or they hide behind the fact that they are a mutual company. But guess what? If they're paying a ton of claims and their expenses all go up and then their rates go up to get new clients, do you think they're gonna get new clients when all these other clients can go to other companies and the insurance rates are so much lower, right? And let's be honest here, most people shop insurance based on the premium amount for the policy, not the coverage. It should be swapped. We've talked about this. You need to make sure you are covered and then pay the price for the coverage that you need versus paying a premium and hoping that you're covered, which rarely, if ever, works out. Okay, especially in these nuanced situations where you might have a fire or a water leak, like hail damage to a roof. Some policies will limit you to actual cash value if your roof is older than 5 years or 10 years. Okay, that means you go from having a $25,000 to $28,000 claim reduced to a $4,000 or $6,000 claim because you have the wrong policy. But this is the deal. Insurance companies don't pay claims because they lose money. Then they lose clients or shareholders. And what's happened recently is insurance companies have made their shareholders, the stockholders, okay, more important than you, the policyholder. It's unfortunate but true. So if you are fighting the insurance company on a legitimate insurance claim with legitimate damage with a covered cause of loss in the policy, then I want you to contact us today, because this is what we do. We help you, the policyholder, property owner, property manager, whoever you might be representing the policyholder, we can help you get the claim paid fairly. And we want to do that for you, right? Because we're extremely good at it. We do this on a daily basis. You can talk to a lot of different clients that we've had that are willing to speak with you and let you know how amazing the experience was. Everybody is upset, pissed off, frustrated, disappointed, confused at the very beginning. After we're involved, everybody's extremely happy. Look at our reviews on Facebook, on Google. What I'm trying to get to is this, is we specialize in helping you, commercial property owner, residential, industrial, medical, multifamily. If you have a property that you have an insurance claim on and it's not being paid fairly, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. See what we can do to help you out.